Get ready to witness an incredible transformation. From a tiny, adorable baby to a majestic, powerful adult, this creature's journey is truly breathtaking. Watch as it grows, evolves, and reveals its beauty and strength. Stay tuned to see the full, awe-inspiring transformation. Beauty in childhood and in adulthood, both grace and majesty. Look at this cute little orangutan and how it grows into an amazing creature. Can you guess what this is going to turn into? Who would believe that this baby kangaroo, which is now in its mother's pouch, will one day become this big and strong?
Don't realize.
Look at this cute little bear. You won't believe what it turns into. At first, they look like worms, but wait until you see what they become.
You think I'm cute? Yes or no? Yes?
Do you think this dog is one of the biggest dogs ever? This little lost deer is one day going to look independent and majestic. I don't know the name of this animal, but why did the lines on its body fade as it grew? Can frogs also become pets? This shark is attacking a man in a cage. Just wait till it grows up. Can you guess the name of this strange creature? Every creature starts out small, but just wait until you see how amazing, powerful, or even terrifying they become as they grow up.
Putain, ça vache.
Watch how, when it grows, it scares another animal.
Hi, little baby. Hi, little baby. Oh my gosh.
It's just a tiny lion cub, but listen to that roar. Imagine what a beast it'll be when it grows up. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content and hit the bell icon.